Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. Welcome back to my another online English class. My dear students, how are you? I hope that you all are fine. Students, today I have presented with a new class, a new topic. Students, in the previous class, we have learned all the facts about transform from sentence, and we have learned the classification of transform from sentence. So we also have learned that according to meaning, sentence can be changed into 5 types. So today we will learn the definitions and examples of the sentences according to the meaning. Okay. So look very carefully. According to meaning, sentence can be classified into 5 types. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, operative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Okay, I forgot to write it. However, we can classify sentence into 5 types according to the meaning of the sentence. So today we will learn the definition of these sentences. Sentence number 1, the first sentence is assertive sentence. So what is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence means descriptive sentence. That means a sentence which is descriptive or anything is described in a sentence, we can call it descriptive sentence or assertive sentence. An assertive sentence can be classified into 2 types. They are affirmative sentence and negative sentence. When anything is described affirmatively in a sentence, we can call it affirmative sentence. And when anything is described negatively in a sentence, we can call it negative sentence. I hope that you all have been clarified about assertive sentence and affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Okay. Moving to the next sentence, that is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? That is the question, isn't it? Actually, when any kinds of question or asking is expressed in a sentence, we can call it interrogative sentence. Okay, that means interrogative sentence means to question or to ask something. That means when something or is asked or questioned in a sentence, we can call it interrogative sentence. Okay. Moving to the third sentence, what is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence means when a sentence expresses any kinds of advice, order, request, forbidden, or command, we can call this sentence as an imperative sentence. Okay? And next, operative sentence. What is operative sentence? When any kinds of wish or pray is expressed in a sentence, we can call it operative sentence. That means operative sentence expresses any kinds of wish or prayer. Okay. So when any kinds of wish or prayer is described in a sentence, we can call it operative sentence. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. You know that we all are human beings and we are full with a lot of emotions. And human life is full of emotion, isn't it? When a sentence expresses the emotion of the sudden emotion of a speaker's heart, we can call this sentence exclamatory sentence. Okay. Students, I hope that we have been clarifying about all the definitions of the assertive sentence or affirmative sentence or negative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, operative sentence, and exclamative sentence. So we will be more clarified when we will see some examples. So students, look very attentively. I have written 6 examples regarding these sentences that I have discussed before. Okay. Look very carefully. Example number 1. Raju is a good boy. Can you tell me which sentence it is? Yes, this is an assertive sentence because this sentence describes about Raju. So this is a descriptive sentence. We can also call it affirmative sentence since this sentence is described affirmatively. So we can call it affirmative sentence. Okay. Look to the question, example number 2. She can't read English. So this sentence is also an example of assertive sentence. As well as we can call it negative sentences. This sentence is this sentence describing negatively. We can call it negative sentence. Example number 3. Do you read in class 10? So this is my question. Do you read in class 10? Yes or no? Yes, you read in class 10. And some of you may read in class 9 also. However, so I am asking you, do you read in class 10? So answer will be yes or no. That means this sentence expresses some kinds of questioning or asking. So that is why we can call it interrogative sentence. Okay, there. Example number 4. Bring me a glass of water. Please guess which sentence it is. Is it assertive, interrogative, imperative, operative, or exclamatory? I hope that since I have discussed the definitions of all the sentences, so I think that you have been able to understand which sentence it is. Yes, it is obviously an imperative sentence because I am ordering you to bring me a glass of water. So this sentence expresses some kinds of order. So that is why we call it this is an imperative sentence. Okay. And example number 5. May Allah help you. I always pray to God so that Allah might help you. That means this is one kind of wish for you or one kind of prayer for you. So when a sentence expresses any kinds of wish or prayer, we can call the sentence an operative sentence. Obviously, this is an operative sentence. Okay? And the last one. Hooray! We have won the game. Hooray! It's the sudden income of my heart. Hooray! When you utter the sound hooray, when we win in case of game. So when we win in case of game or when we feel in case of joy, we utter the sound hooray. So this sentence expresses the sudden emotion of my heart or our hearts. So we can call this sentence an exclamatory sentence. So students, I hope that you all have enjoyed today's lessons and I hope that you all have understood all the definitions of the sentences and you have been also clarified about the examples of these sentences. So I will request you studying this definition of the sentences and follow more examples on your textbooks or any kinds of guidebooks. And if you see more and more examples on your textbook or your guidebooks, I think you will be more clarified about the structure of sentence, the definition of sentence, and examples of sentence. So students, no more today. And the next time we will take in and I will present with another interesting class. So wait till then. Allah Hafiz.